Are you wondering what skills you need to be successful in cloud DevOps in 2021? Cloud gang member J Harris 555 asked this great question, so I thought this would be a great video as this is a very common question. So today I have 6 DevOps skills that I think any cloud slinger would agree are vital. You'll also be happy to know I'll be tackling all 6 subjects with hands-on keyboard tutorials over the next coming months. So subscribe now if you're looking to get your hands dirty soon. With that being said, let's get started with the skills you'll need to solidify your DevOps career.
This that venti fried chicken, that venti fried chicken, this that.
Hey VFC fam, it's your boy Joshua Tech Dev Walker, your Venti Fried Chicken author and global cloud slinger. This channel is dedicated to cloud computing and technology, so if you're interested in cloud or tech, subscribe now to get weekly content, as we're now posting 2 videos per week. Disclaimer. This top 6 is based on my 5+ years in DevOps and cloud overall. I'm a cloud solutions architect that works within the enterprise space. I also have the pleasure of working within the startup community as I co-founded a now thriving tech nonprofit. So in a nutshell, I'm a well-rounded subject matter expert just looking to lend my expertise. Looking to give you the sauce on what's the most important skills, based on working with a wide range of cloud folks. Sorry for the term folks, I'm country. As well as working with small and ginormous businesses. This might be a little controversial, but I think the order I put these in are also accurate. But would love to hear your feedback in the comments if you disagree. Number 1, I recommend that you learn the basics for at least 2 cloud providers. Areas to focus on are network, compute, storage. This will help you get a really solid foundation. They're very similar in network, storage, and compute. They usually just go by slightly different names but operate pretty much the same. They're basically SoundCloud rappers. Number 2, learn functional Python or Java. A high-level language paired with cloud is a winning combination. And I suggest Python or Java because they both have really active communities and long-standing communities. And before you make fun of Java, it's not really going anywhere and it makes up a substantial amount of enterprise software still. Also see the video above to help you make up your mind even further. And how these languages comes into play in the real world, using AWS as an example. Boto 3 is the Python SDK for AWS. Also check out my past video on Boto 3 if you're interested or want to know more. But there's also a great SDK for Java, simply named AWS SDK for Java. I guess their creativity ran out on this one. Point being, this is one of the ways we use high-level languages for infrastructure. And just knowing a high-level coding language in general will make you super flexible and open a lot of opportunities. Infrastructure as code is the right now, not the future, which is actually a pretty great segment. Number 3, learn Terraform automation. Terraform is pretty much the de facto cloud deployment tool. In the big leagues, you're required to create repeatable, reliable, and secure infrastructure. Also check out my short video explaining what Terraform is from a past video. See that above? We'll be doing a deep dive into Terraform in October. We'll be taking the terror out of Terraform. Dad jokes only. Number 4, learn Ansible automation. To use a hopefully not trash analogy, if Terraform deployment is a real nice suit, Ansible is tailoring and customizing that suit to your liking. Ansible is pretty much the de facto cloud agnostic configuration tool for cloud. Similar to Terraform, it's really easy to get started as well, so don't get antsy. We'll look to cover Ansible in depth as well in the coming months. Number 5, learn Docker and Kubernetes. It used to be enough to know Docker, but it's not enough anymore. Kubernetes brings us to the big league, aka the enterprise level. And if you're having a hard time understanding the difference, Docker helps us launch nodes, while Kubernetes helps us launch clusters of nodes. Docker helps us package and distribute apps. Kubernetes helps us run, scale, and monitor apps. They're just better together than apart, like Kanye and Jay-Z. Number 6, learn Jenkins CICD. With all these powers combined, you are ready for CICD. At a high level, CICD is delivering to the client faster by automating parts of the software deployment lifecycle, leveraging ongoing automation and continuous monitoring. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of tools out there for CICD that are great. However, the one I see the most in the wild is Jenkins, mainly because now it's bigger than CICD. Jenkins gives you a whole ecosystem, allowing you to deploy end-to-end automation, even including traceability features. Jenkins aims to serve. So these are the top 6 skills I recommend you just dig in on, and a little on why they're so important. Let me know in the comments what subjects interest you the most. This Friday we'll be building a VPC from scratch, so subscribe so you don't miss that. Train, inspire, relate,